All praises to Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, Bashem Rakakwadash. It's your brother Kawak again, and this is another installment of, well, it's not another installment, it's about the clouds. So, you see, oops, damn, that's dope. You see, I meant to click on this one. You see that? A chariot making clouds, and it looks like it was CGI, and it could be, but why does it have a cloud? Why? Is it in a cloud form? Right? So I just want to put that in your brain. Why is it in the cloud form? And then they're in the clouds. So let's get some more views. See, this stuff like this is real. Damn it. Let's see. Oops. See, that's a little orb. And that's for real. That's not a CGI. Let's get some scriptures. And I got these scriptures again, but I had them in the last video, so I'm gonna use them again. Nothing wrong with that. Ezekiel 21:4. Seeing then that I will cut off from thee the righteous and the wicked, therefore shall my sword go forth out of his sheath against all flesh from the south and to the north. So that's man, I think it's serious. I think it is serious. And let me show you the power of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, because he will cut off the righteous and the wicked. And let's see. 4 and 15. And these are all scriptures that I got on camp this past Friday. Alright, so this is 2 Samuel 24:15. So Yahweh Bashem Yahushai sent a pestilence upon Israel from the morning even to the time appointed, and there died of the people of Dan. Oh shit. And there died of the people from Dan even to Beersheba 70,000 men. So just to recap, seeing that I will cut off from the righteous. So that's the righteous. Okay, cut off from the righteous. I hope I get this right. If not, strike me. Okay, I hope it's this. Alright, so that's one count of there you go. This is an important account, because in this, get it again. Let me just get it again. Seeing that I will cut off from thee the righteous and the wicked, therefore shall my sword go forth out of his sheath against all flesh from the south to the north. That's his sword. That's his sword, everybody. That's his sword. That's his sword right there. That's his sword. out some of these images. See, now Esau has one, something built for him, which, you know, that was his his gift, right? Because Isaac gave him a gift, right? Let's go back over here, and it says flying Nazi saucers. Okay. See, so these chariots are being spotted all over. All over. Alright, so that's not gonna go back. Let's go see some more images. UFOs sighted daily. Alright, this last picture, and then we're gonna go back to the scriptures. Alright, so I just wanted to show you what the sword was. First Chronicles 21 and 15. And Elohim sent an angel unto Jerusalem to destroy it. And he was destroying. The Lord Yahweh Bashem Yahushai beheld, and he repented him of the evil, and said to the angel that destroyed, It is enough, stay now thine hand. And the angel of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai stood by the threshing floor of Ornan the Jebusite. So that is an ass whooping. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's just wait for it to get back up. Man, come on. Put it in wrong. Put it in. I thought that the ones were eyes. Alright. Let's go back over here. Ezekiel 21 and 4. Seeing then that I will cut off from thee the righteous, we see two occasions on the righteous being cut off, and the wicked, therefore shall my sword go forth out of his sheath against all flesh from the south and to the north. So that was, this is the sword, right? This is another account of the sword. And it came, 2 Kings 19 and 35. And it came to pass that night that the angel of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai went out and smote in the camp of the Assyrians 185,000. And when they arose early in the morning, behold, they were all dead corpses. So Yahweh Bashem Yahushai didn't say, oh man, stop. Not this time. Not this time. And he sent those clouds, alright? Those chariots. Those are the chariots. Alright. Oh, Matthew 10 and 34. Think not that I am come to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but a sword. A sword, alright? That's the sword, everybody. That's the sword. this site, and there's a bunch of YouTube videos on UFO sightings and all that. We know they're chariots, alright? We know they're chariots. Strange unidentified things. You know, this page is whack, or whatever. I don't mean to offend, but it's not looking good. Let's redo this again. Alright. This is making me upset. Come on. That bullshit. Well, that's the sword. This is making me mad. This is moving so slow. So fucking slow. It's pissing me off, actually. Alright, so let me show you. Hopefully this will come up this time. Oh, man. You know what? Those chariots are swords, alright? So with that, I'm gonna say, Kahalayam Lai Hawabashim Hoshai Bashim Rakakodash.